We were just a bunch of innocent kids having the time of our lives. We had no idea what was coming. We each got 9 months at one of the worst places on earth. I'm a lawyer.
Jackson, there's some people here to see you.
Been a long time.
You got the whole gang back together?
Got arrested this morning. He doesn't need just any lawyer. He needs you.
You know you remember. Time for payback.
Talking about committing a crime.
No, we're talking about justice!
But the past is never the past.
This is about us. You, me, Sean, and Boots.
Tell me what's happening to our life.
I'm sorry.